Are you tired of outdated teaching methods, limited research facilities, and competition at home? Then don't worry. We have a very good option for you, that is Finland, because Finland is offering you higher innovative learning methods with international exposure and all the facilities that you wanted to do as a research student. And Finland offers you innovation learning methods, and that is very friendly country, and the environment is very safe. So let's talk about the universities. There are two types of universities in Finland. Universities which are based on the research facilities and that offer you a vast variety of research projects. The other type of universities in Finland are applied sciences. Applied Sciences University give you all the facilities that are related to the industrial exposure. Best thing about Finland is that it offers you generous scholarships that starts from 50% to even 100% scholarships. Like Helsinki is one of the top university in Finland that offer 100% scholarship. Tampere is one of the also another university which offer you 100% scholarship, and there are a number of institutes which are offering you up to 50% scholarship. You can avail even 100% scholarship if your profile is good. Like if you are having 3.0 above a CGPA, a good profile, then obviously you can secure your scholarship. Okay, now let's talk about the financial proof that you must be having as a main applicant. It should be 1210 euros per month, which is your living cost that you will be needing as a main applicant. And if we talk about the adult or any kid that you are bringing with you, she or he must be having half of the financial or living cost, that is 600. And if we talk about the annual income, then annual proof of yourself, then you must be having 14,500 as your financial proof. And secondly, if you have any dependent with you, then she or he must be having 7,000 euros, your bank statement. So everyone, if you wanted to secure your admission in world-class education and one of the most respected degree offering countries of the world, then you can apply in Finland from 2nd of January to 21st of January, because your classes will be starting from September 2026 and you can apply before 21st of January. So don't waste your time. You can visit us or you can DM us for further information related to the criteria and course availability of your choice. Then you can contact us, or even you can make a Zoom session with us if you are like not in Pakistan or in any city other than Islamabad. Thank you so much.